everybody, this is Miss Josie, and now it's time for cooking. This week in cooking, we're going to make a new recipe called ice cream in a bag. Before we get started cooking, we need to wash our hands. Every time we cook in the kitchen, we need to wash our hands first. Make sure you use soap and warm water and wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. A good way to remember is to sing the happy birthday song or the ABCs while you're washing your hands. Make sure to kill all those germs. To make ice cream in a bag, first you will need to have a small Ziploc bag. Pour in half a cup of half and half creamer or heavy whipping cream. After pouring your cream in your small Ziploc bag, add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, and add in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. After adding your ingredients, make sure your small plastic bag is sealed really tight. Now, with your large Ziploc bag, add some ice cubes until it's about 1/3 of the way full. Now add the salt to the ice cubes. Salt helps ice melt faster. This will help our ice cream to freeze because the salt and the ice water will surround your ice cream. Make sure your small plastic bag is sealed and put it inside your large plastic bag in between the ice cubes. Seal it up, and it's time to start shaking. Shake your bags for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to open and taste your ice cream. Mine was a little soft, like a milkshake, but if yours is soft, you can keep shaking longer. Delicious! I hope you enjoy.